In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's visual appeal or improve its navigation, icons can play a vital role in achieving these goals. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily incorporate icons into your Wix design. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Start by heading over to wixshop.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Wix dashboard. Here you'll find a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Look for the site you want to edit and click on Select and Edit Site. This action will direct you to the specific site's dashboard, giving you a comprehensive overview and control over its design elements. Next, locate the Design Site option within the dashboard and click on it. This will take you to the Wix Website Editor, where you have the power to fine-tune and tailor your website just the way you envision it. The Website Editor is where all the magic happens, offering a plethora of tools and features to customize your site. In the Wix Editor, focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to click on Add Elements, which is essentially your toolbox for adding visual components to your site. Once you click on it, a variety of categories will appear, opening up a wide world of possibilities. From the list of categories, select Decorative. Under this section, you'll find an option for icons. Icons are a fantastic way to make your content pop and provide intuitive visual cues for your visitors. Once you've clicked on icons, you'll be presented with a diverse collection to choose from. Browse through these options and identify the icon that best matches your site's theme or the particular function it's meant to serve. After selecting an icon, the next step is to add it to your web page. Hover over your chosen icon and click on the Add button. This will place the icon onto your web page, where you can proceed to adjust its size, location, and other stylistic choices right within the editor. In conclusion, adding icons to your Wix site is a simple yet effective way to enhance its visual impact and navigation. By following these straightforward steps, you can give your website a personalized touch that resonates with your audience. Icons can serve various purposes, from drawing attention to specific features, highlighting calls to action, or simply adding a decorative flair. Thanks for watching, and happy designing! Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Wix experience. See you next time.